It won't count against you. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. And who do we pull? How? 'What happened? We're still going. We're just catching up on things here. Started with 8, down to 1. That is McStrally. He's on lap number 2, and we are challenging our TQ time. He crosses over the 29.6. He is killing it right now. Where? How did you? Oh, because those are HD8s, and mine is straight analog. 20 seconds still to go here on the Master Race Clock, and McStrally on lap number 4. This guy was our TQ top qualifier at the Megadrone X a couple of months ago. He's all the way from Europe, and he is killing it in America. He's one of the TV star pilots, and he's trying to challenge TQ here at Sebring. First pack of qualifying here today. He's going to get his 4 laps in, and I think he's going to be inside of our top 5. Good line through that tornado tower to our checkered line for lap number 4. It'll be 4 laps in 2:09 with a seed time of 1:30. That's his last 3, 29, 31, 30. That is going to put him in the number 5 spot. First pack on the track of qualifying for McStrally. And that is where we will retrieve some quads.
I need to fly with the GoPro. Yeah. I did go too fast.